Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. This is really cool, but really scary at the same time. It's definitely a Turo recession, and anytime this happens, this could happen 1 month, and the next month everything be fixed. It could be 1 year, it could be a year long, it could be two. Who knows how long the duration of a recession could be for Turo? But you want to learn how to actually strategize so you can still be profitable even though it's just recession. If you get through a recession, you can definitely get through anything else. So this is what you have to do. Marketing at its finest. Marketing isn't just talking about it or showing a picture or showing a commercial or taking pictures. Marketing is all the above, but simply just saying hi and bye, sending a message to your Turo guests. Every time they have your car, make it a habit to say, hey, would you like to keep the car longer? If they say no, great. If you don't ask them, it's already a no. Always ask that. That's marketing 101. Always reach out. These are warm leads. If they have your car right now, ask them, do you want to keep it longer? If they just booked your car, say, hey, thank you. I see that you booked it for 1 week. Would you like to keep it for an additional day? Whatever the case is. If you want to even get real creative and start saying, hey, and I'm not saying price discounts, start saying, hey, if you get an extra day, I'll give you a price reduction on another day or another 2 days. They might say, you know what? That some people have a budget. Maybe they're like, yeah, all I can afford 7 days, but hey, this guy's saying he'll give me 3 more days for the price of one. It's your business. All you have to do, and I didn't say discount, reduce the price. Call Turo and reduce it. These are things you have to do when the money's tight with people, when it's a recession. Start figuring out ways for so they keep your car longer. And because remember, the days that your car's sitting there not being rented or shared, you're losing money. It's done. I'd rather the car go out at half the price than lose a full amount for the month. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to change your perspective. So when you're in the Turo recession, marketing, yes, but marketing in the respect of using all opportunities. If your car is sitting there, do you cut that baby in half? It is what it is. And then you don't have to keep it there. You're just doing it what you have to do so you at least get some money coming in. You have to keep the flow. And it also does good where you build momentum on the algorithm. If your car keeps sitting there, the harder it is for people to see your car. The more reviews you have, the more good reviews you get, even if it's price. Even doesn't matter if you rent your car for $1,000 per day or $1 per day, the reviews are still equated at the same rate because it doesn't have no donation. It has no denomination value. All they see is a review. They don't know how much you spent on it. If they see that even if you rented it for $1, not saying you want to do that, you still get a wonderful review. Get the reviews, market yourself, say, hey, would you like to keep the car longer? Would you like to keep the car longer as soon as you get the booking? Or if they have the car, would you keep it further or longer? What can I do? And if they say yes, great. If they say no, or they have a budget, say, hey, I could give you maybe, how about I reduce some of the price? If you book it 2 more days, I'll reduce the price. Call Turo, tell them what you want to do, and they can reduce it on your behalf. You can definitely do that, but just run it by Turo. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Don't let a recession scare you. It actually could be a money-making opportunity because what happens is this scares most Turo hosts. They don't know what to do. Deer in headlight. Take advantage. Be a hunter. Like, subscribe, share. Crawling out.